In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use buttons in Carrd. Buttons are a simple way to guide visitors through your site. Whether that's sending them to another page, scrolling to a section, or creating a clear back action. I'll walk you through setting up a button from scratch, naming it back, and linking it to the destination you want, all inside the Carrd editor. First, head to carrd.so and log into your account. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard, which lists all your sites. If you're brand new, you can open any existing project or a draft you're already working on. We'll be editing a site that needs a back button, but these same steps apply to any button you want to add. Open the site you want to work on by clicking Edit this site, or use the pencil icon. That takes you into the Carrd Builder. You'll see your page in the center and a panel on the left or right depending on your layout. Make sure you're on the page or section where you want the button to appear, so placement is easy to visualize. Now add a new element by clicking Add the plus icon. This opens the Elements library. Carrd organizes elements like text, images, and of course buttons. If you don't see the plus right away, hover near the canvas or check the sidebar. It's always there in the builder. Choose Buttons. Carrd will insert a buttons block onto your page. You can drag it where you want and resize or align it later. Buttons are usually placed near navigation areas or at the bottom of a section where a user might expect a way to go back or continue. To edit the button, click the small drop-down arrow on the button's element to open its settings. This is where you control the button's text, link, style, and behavior. You'll see fields for label and URL, plus appearance options you can fine-tune after the basics are set. Under label, type back. The label is the text your visitors will see, so keep it short and clear. Next, in the URL field, enter where the button should take users. This could be a full web address, a link to another page on your site, or an internal anchor like hashtag top or a section ID if you're guiding people within the same page. Use a valid link so the button works as expected. When you're done, click Done. Preview your page to confirm the button looks right and navigates correctly, then save or publish your changes. That's all it takes to add and use buttons in Carrd.